What's up, wrestling fans? It's your boy Maui David here. So, this is a question that everybody wants to answer. Has The Rock overshadowed Roman Reigns ahead of WrestleMania 40? Now, ever since The Rock came back, okay, he have caused a lot of controversy and excitement to us wrestling fans. He cursed a lot on social media. He targets Cody and Seth Rollins, all of that. He targets Cody Rhodes' mama. And since The Rock's return, a lot of people right now are interested in the WWE because of The Rock. Because let's face it, The Rock is now the biggest star in the business. He is the biggest star in the history of professional wrestling and in Hollywood. Now he is at the head of TKO's holdings group, the board of directors, and now a part of the WWE family, right? And right now, ever since his return, he is right now the biggest star in the business, and now because of him, WWE right now is like turning into the Attitude Era again. The Attitude Era because of The Rock. Because this past I mean like last night at the ending of Raw, we saw The Rock beat the hell out of Cody Rhodes. He would he promised that he would make Cody Rhodes bleed, and he did. And right now, fans are just speechless. Us wrestling fans are just speechless of what happened at the end of Monday Night Raw last night. And now, this begs the question, has The Rock overshadowed Roman Reigns ahead of WrestleMania? I think the answer is yes. Because right now, the eye is on The Rock. Right now. Right now, he built up, like, he is the eye of attention to us wrestling fans in the WWE right now. Because he made WWE into the biggest platform that it is right now. You know, what he is now the final boss. The Rock referred to himself as the final boss. Now, even though he is being a heel, he is still a babyface. Because as you saw in the beginning of Monday Night Raw last night, when Cody Rhodes cuts a promo, Rock came out and the fans cheered him. And at the end of Monday Night Raw, when he beats the hell out of Cody Rhodes, he gets booed. And right now, fans are liking The Rock for what he's doing. He is being a babyface and a heel. Basically, he's a tweenie right now. And yes, The Rock has overshadowed Roman Reigns because right now, The Rock is the final boss. He is the high chief of the bloodline. But where does this lead Roman Reigns? What does Roman Reigns do? He is the tribal chief and The Rock is the final boss. Now, who is controlling the bloodline? Is it the final boss or is it the tribal chief? Now, for me, in my opinion, I think The Rock controls over the bloodline because he is the final boss. But where does Roman Reigns lead to this? Well, since the main event of WrestleMania is Roman and Cody at night 2 and the night 1 of WrestleMania is a tag match. Now this begs the question. Yes, technically The Rock has now overshadowed Roman Reigns. He is the most popular superstar that Roman Reigns ever has. Okay? And now this begs the question. Can Roman Reigns trust The Rock? Now we saw in the past few weeks the cracks have been happening into the bloodline. Basically, when Roman Reigns do the one up, okay, when he does the one up like this, I don't know if the camera saw it, but sometimes The Rock do this. So like I said, the cracks are now showing into the bloodline. The Rock, The Rock basically is going to screw Roman Reigns. Alright? The Rock is now basically is gonna screw Roman Reigns. And now basically, what happened last night, it's more edgier. WWE Raw is more gone edgier because of The Rock. Now, the storyline here, and what it leads, it's Roman Reigns and Cody Rhodes. Not The Rock and Cody Rhodes. But right now, The Rock is heading it. The Rock is building a storyline with Cody Rhodes. Now, we saw in the reports right now, that maybe WWE is planning to do The Rock versus Cody Rhodes at SummerSlam. But eventually, The Rock is not going to do that because he is filming another movie from May to August. So, yeah. Where did this lead Roman Reigns? Well, now basically Roman Reigns is like an NPC. Roman Reigns is now like an NPC in this storyline between him and Cody Rhodes. Because let's face it, The Rock has been showing up how many times? He made 3 appearances on SmackDown. Okay? He made 3 appearances on SmackDown, and then basically Roman Reigns looks like an NPC. A non-playable character. What it means. Yeah, basically Roman Reigns is now an unplayable character. And now, The Rock has overshadowed that. Like, basically, The Rock has overshadowed Roman Reigns. And now, technically, going into WrestleMania, I think Roman is gonna turn on Roman is gonna turn on The Rock. Because he finally saw his cousin overshadowing him. And he can't trust The Rock because of what The Rock's doing. He's basically screwing with the bloodline. The Rock is basically screwing with the bloodline. And technically, he's going to help Cody Rhodes defeat Roman Reigns for the Undisputed Universal Heavyweight Championship. So, yeah. But there's a lot of factors to this. What's gonna happen at the final Raw before WrestleMania? We got 2 SmackDowns left. Okay, we got 2 SmackDowns left and 1 final Raw before WrestleMania. What's going to happen? Now, this, like, next week, live in Brooklyn, New York, The Rock and Roman Reigns will be live on Raw. And they will address Cody Rhodes. And this is going to be interesting. What's Roman Reigns' reaction to The Rock beating up Cody Rhodes? Right? Because literally, the past few weeks before The Rock targeting Cody Rhodes or beating him up, Roman Reigns is literally pissed at The Rock. Because he have to wait for his cousin. Right? He has to wait for his cousin. Now, technically, we're not getting The Rock and Roman Reigns at this year's WrestleMania. But they are still plan to do so down the line. Now, I don't know when are we going to get The Rock and Roman Reigns. Maybe at SummerSlam or maybe at WrestleMania 41 next year. But who knows? But yes, technically, The Rock has now overshadowed Roman Reigns ahead of WrestleMania. So, yeah, that's my reaction to this question that everybody wants to know. So, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, chat, for more wrestling news and gaming news. Peace out, subscriber, on the road to 500 subscribers. Subscribe, chat.